am Shounab Ghosh. I have done my BSc from Calcutta University in microbiology and have done MSc in biotechnology from Gitam University. I have recently done in silico molecular biology and genetic engineering 5 days hands-on training program from BDG Life Science. It was very helpful and they are very interactive during the chat session or video lecture session. I hope it will be helpful for all of us and it will help us to proceed in a good biotechnology program in future. Thank you.
Hello, this is Dinesh Thape. I had completed my MSc in Agriculture Biotechnology from Odisha Agriculture University. Now working as a GRF in ICAR Directorate of Onion and Garlic Research Center, Pune. I had completed 5 days hands-on training on in silico molecular biology and genetic engineering conducted by BDG Life Sciences. It was a very good session for me. The practicals and presentation present in this session was very good, very knowledgeable for me, and it gives lots of new things for me regarding bioinformatics and bioinformatics tools. I would like to suggest only one thing, that we did lots of things in very short period, that is 2 to 3 practicals in one day. So it would be better to us that please provide very short notes regarding the practicals before the session, that is one day before, so that we can read it thoroughly and sort out some points regarding this whole practical, because during this practical we didn't get whole things regarding in this conducted practical. So it will be good for us to read some important and descriptive points before the practicals. Overall session was overall session was very good, very knowledgeable for us, and very important for us also. I would like to thank to whole BDG group for conducting such a good session for us, and please keep it up. I would like to join another sessions also in the future. Thank you.
Good morning to one and all. This is DSMBK Prashant, a PhD scholar in the pharmacy department. Recently I got completed the reverse vaccinology in BDG Life Sciences under the guidance of the Monica madam. So actually before I don't know regarding the BDG Life Sciences, just I have gone through the website. I am very happy that the BDG Life Sciences giving a practical on hands of experience. I am very happy regarding the reverse vaccinology technologies that I have learned because of the emerging SARS-CoV virus. So I am also planning to write some articles related to the reverse vaccinology. So finally I would like to say that this BDG Life Sciences make a wonderful pathway for learning the bioinformatics tools via online to the students as well as some faculty also. So I am very thankful to the BDG Life Sciences. Thank you one and all.